Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How you all are doing? Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon. Also, I felt today that if you feel guided, you should share the Baba's message to other friends of yours, because Baba always says, you spread the blessings and blessings come back to you multifold. So I don't know. I have never said this to share Baba's video specifically, but today I felt I should tell you all to share Baba's video to your friends, to people who believe in Baba, because maybe there is some message lying for them here. It's a very funny part. I think I have told this also before to all of you all. I have never been to Shirdi, and many people have had their shock saying you have named your house as Dwarka Mai and you've never been to Shirdi. So I have an answer for them, and I have an answer today to all of you also, because Baba himself has said, though I live in Shirdi, I am everywhere. And when you just put your hand forward to me and wait for me, I will come there and show you my presence. And I really strongly believe this, because many of you know I have knee issues, and I can't stand for a longer time, I can't walk for a longer time. So maybe Baba is actually showing his presence to me right in Dwarka Mai, and that is the reason, even how much ever my heart earns for Shirdi, I have still never been able to go. But yes, I always tell at home that one day in my life I will go, not to see the temple, but to see Dwarka Mai, where Baba lived. And sometimes what happens, I say that with a very heavy heart, and then when I go to my Baba altar, and then when I burn the diya over there, I feel as if I can smell the wood, and it is as if Baba is saying, Dwarka Mai is this, and that is also Dwarka Mai. It is all in your eyes. So it is just in that way. Maybe you all out there who always feel Baba, you couldn't go to Shirdi, or you couldn't see Baba and come, maybe that is the answer for you. For those out there who don't know how they will go to Shirdi, because maybe their family is not allowing, maybe things around them are not perfect enough for them to go to Shirdi right now, that is the answer for you all. But I don't know why I asked you all to share the video. Maybe let's see, let's just pull one or two cards and see why the thing has come. The dream. Okay, while write down your dreams, and Baba often conveys messages through your dreams. So maybe today you have some dreams which you don't know how to fulfill, which you don't know how to how to go forward with your dreams. So Baba is asking you to write down those dreams, and he is going to give you a message, and he is going to let you know how you can work on those dreams, and how you can fulfill those dreams. So the next card, which is recognize the reality behind the mask. So here again, maybe you are believing wrong people. So Baba is asking you to be aware and see where things are going wrong, and how you need to prepare yourself, so that you can understand that everything that glitters is not gold, and you should not get cheated time and again, time and again. So today, because Baba has said to write down the letter for him, why not offer him something which he likes? I always offer him a mutton biryani. I have always said this, because I feel Baba loves mutton biryani. You can keep some prasad, you can keep some, he likes bundi ke laddu. He likes even peda. You can even keep pedas for him today. Write the letter to him and tell him. I think some of you might be wondering, what is his reality? What is this mask that Baba is telling? Tell him to show you the real picture, the real people, and I'm sure Baba is going to show you. Just ask him with that faith. Have a beautiful and a Baba blessed day ahead. Om Sai Ram.